Hello, and welcome to my order written analysis dashboard. The objective of this report is to find company's product returns, key performance indicator, identify trends, and employee performance by seeing year-over-year change. I have designed this report with a consistent theme and a professional color to provide a center focus to our dashboard for a perspective of our user's eye. The top we have slices for region, employee, and a date range with a year slicer so that a user can filter this slicer and explore insight for themselves. These three KPI cards are is our core metrics with the year-over-year comparison so that we can directly compare with our last year. The visuals on the right is a donut chart and a monthly trend in bottom for a deeper analysis. It's like see this is a written contribution percentage by employee that how many written contribution by employee. Now, let's begin our analysis by seeing year-over-year change in company's performance. So let's see our baseline year, which is 2014. We can see that return rate percent is 5.4%, average return value is 97.7, return count is 52. So now let's move to the 2015. As we can see that year-over-year change percent of return rate is 9.5% and average return value is 37.2% and return rate year-over-year changes 17.3%. And as you can see that all is worsening because this is our return product which is increasing year by year. So now let's see our 2016 part. Here we can see that in return rate is also increased by 0.9%, but our good news is average return value is decreased by minus 6.3%, which is not too big but nice. Okay, and let's move to our return count. This is also increased by 27, around 27%. So only part is that our average return value is decreased. So now let's see what is the main reason behind this increasing part of our performance and returns. Okay, so as we can see in this donut chart, the main contribution is one employee, which is Anna, which is around 65.4%. And due to this whole chart increase. So as we can see that if we select here Anna and region is West, so we can see that around in overall year, his contribution in return rate percent is 11% around, and average return value is around 186. Also, as we can see in this part of our chart is that in top 5 employees, Anna is the highest one who is the one that his customer returning product. So, main conclusion of our dashboard is that in the most recent year, company has successfully stabilized his average return value rate. But the main is return count and return rate percent. So they need to focus their reduce their return count product and you need to focus in the west part which is controlled by Anna. So this is our main conclusion. Thank you.